organizing the family calendar. It's myOrganized.life live, January 8th, 2019. That is a date on the calendar.
Yes, it is. Now, what type of calendar?
On
The
any
world calendar,
Yes.
the United States calendar.
We could get into a whole discussion about
We could.
calendars and days and what day it really is and
True.
how many days until doomsday.
That's true.
The whole world will blow up.
Yep, but we're not.
We're not, because this is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and talk about all kinds of stuff, not the blowing up of the world.
Right.
We're not conspiracy theorists.
No.
Even
We're
though I'm
talking
wearing
about
black today. Oh, some people
okay.
say, but he's wearing black. That must mean something.
They might.
What does that mean?
It means
It
that
means, 'cause that
on
was
your
the next
calendar,
shirt. Yeah, on my
it
calendar
says
said wear.
Tuesday, wear black.
That's right. So.
What kind of calendar do you guys have at home?
Well, we have a variety of calendars.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our calendars on our phones.
So this is for individual use or family? Are you guys all synced as one
No,
calendar on your phone?
I wish we had like that Deb Lee Google Calendar.
I think it's an iPhone feature, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I think you can do it.
Well, you should set it up.
We should.
Then you can keep
I should
tabs
go back
on all
and-
your people.
I should go back and watch that podcast where she talked about, okay, let's see, green is my daughter. And, all it's like, how do you
Right.
keep all that? But it's really cool
Yes.
if you can pull it off.
That's one option on
Then there's
organizing
the
the family
old-fashioned
calendar.
calendar, because we got to have, like the Thomas Kincaid cabin calendar.
Yes.
That's the kind of the main one on the wall, the hallway when you walk in, and
Okay.
that's where we put kind of.
So you can look at it just
But
quickly
not
and
everything
see.
goes on there. Only certain things. I don't even know because I never write anything on there.
Well, you won't be able to read your handwriting either
This
because
is
your,
true. So there's
your
another
handwriting is
reason
too
not to
big
use
and
that.
too sloppy.
Then in our
Okay.
little home office, my wife has a home business, so she's got a little. She's got two calendars, one for the home business, and I don't even know what the other one's. She's got two like.
Wow.
I know what it is actually. Now that I think about it, because I never use that one.
Yeah.
It's kind of like we have in the office here, and you have the 3 months. So she's
Oh.
got two calendars. So one is
got
this
it.
month and one is next month.
Oh, okay.
So it does make sense.
Yeah.
It's not duplication there.
All right. Good.
Okay, so we have that. Any other calendars? My kids don't want to use calendars. They think it's too structured of a life.
Oh, okay.
What
Yep.
about trying when you have to? No, too much structure.
Okay. Good.
How about you guys? What do you use for
We
calendars?
do not have a calendar.
You don't have a calendar?
Nope. I have one on my phone that I put stuff in, and that's
So you're
about
just
it.
appointments, right?
Just appointments. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're not that structured yet.
There's the wide spectrum of calendars, but today we're going to talk about organizing a family calendar.
Yes, and just a few different options
Okay.
and ideas because
Yes.
it's the new year.
Yes.
It's go month.
It's
Get
go
organized.
month,
So we're
yes.
going to get your family organized with
Great.
this family calendar.
And by the way, if you want to put this on your calendar, you can go to sme.com
Yes.
and look at this in our not ergonomics.
Oh,
what
gosh,
is it?
that's old.
That is old.
That's
Yeah,
a blast
it's
from
Organized Life blog.
blog.
So
Organizing the family calendar
you
is
can
the
put
name
that
of
in
the
the
article.
search bar and
Right.
find it there. So,
Yeah.
Okay. So what are our
So
tips
there's
on
some
organizing a
paper
family?
calendars like
Yes.
you talked about.
Yes.
There's the old dry erase
Oh,
calendar.
yeah,
You can
like
get those with the
On the
grid
refrigerator, like
or the big one.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The little fridge ones, those are nice. Or a big one, maybe in your
Yeah.
entryway has the calendar grid maybe already printed on it, or you could make it yourself.
There's one other kind too. I know this is not solution day, but we have our Justic.
I was going to say that next.
Dry erase board, and we have the template you can put under there, so
Yep.
it kind of works both ways. You have a blank calendar under there,
Yep.
and then you can write on
stick
top of
stuff
it.
to
Okay.
Or you could just go the online route.
Yes.
Microsoft Office has one.
Yes.
Google.
Oh, gosh,
I'm sure
they
there's
all
a
do. Yeah.
trillion of them out there. And then an important approach
Okay.
is using color.
Yes.
So you've got 6 people in your family.
Oh my gosh. We've
6
run out
different
of colors.
Well,
Yeah.
6
Do-
colors.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Use a color for each person.
Everyone wants to fight over blue though, and that's another
yeah,
issue.
I
It's like,
know.
okay, I want blue. No, I want blue.
But reserve red for the important appointments
Oh,
that
yeah.
maybe the whole family would be
Ooh,
involved
yeah,
in.
that's a good one.
And let's see, you can use a highlighter to notes, pick up Susie at this point,
Right.
or, stuff like that. And then review your calendar daily.
Yes, that's the big thing is adoption. How do you get people to do it?
Keeping
and
up
say,
on it is
Well,
key.
Mom, do I have soccer practice today? Check the
Check the-
calendar.
yeah.
Check the calendar. Oh, okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
you know.
So yeah, that's kind of a good thing to do. You get the schedule at the beginning
Right.
of the season, whatever it may be,
Yes.
and then write everything on that calendar so you're not scrambling to look for
Oh, I know.
the calendar or the schedule on Wednesday when you have a game somewhere and you don't know where the game is.
Yeah, we kind of plan like quarterly. So, just right over the Christmas break, we picked like the weekends we're going to the cabin, and
Okay.
January, February, March.
Okay.
You got to do a 3-month thing, kind of get those things, get the summer vacation kind of tentatively put on the schedule.
Yep.
So that's good to do too. And then, when kids come home from school, they can get the schedules. You can take
Yep.
off of there and write it on there. But one thing I like about the electronic calendar, though,
Yes.
is the little reminder.
Oh, I know.
So,
It's perfect.
like one time I was driving home from work and boom, you have a chiropractor appointment today.
Oh. Turn around.
Luckily I was driving right
Towards
past it. I was like, oh, I would have forgotten that.
Wow. Yeah, that is nice.
So that was not reviewing the calendar daily, right? But
No,
definitely
right.
review is important. You got to have some kind of system. A lot of people say when you come into work in the morning, look at your calendar
First thing.
Make sure you've got your appointments down.
or look at it the night before before you leave
Yeah.
for the next day.
So,
Yep.
okay, well, you can go to smead.com. Just in the search bar, type in Organizing a Family Calendar. You can get that little article for inspiration.
Yep.
And then you can come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Who are we talking to?
We're talking to Amy Tokus tomorrow about kind of home office or organizing in a small space.
Oh, okay.
She's
Nice.
going to be doing this podcast live from her kitchen,
Okay.
which is where she kind of has a little home office.
That's right. She has
set
her
up.
office there now in their new house.
In their new
Yes,
house. So you
okay.
got, and tomorrow, another great thing, you may not remember this because we recorded this one before Christmas, is there's a special appearance.
Oh yeah, that's
Yes.
right. I remember.
Not by Rizzo, your dog,
No.
by Izzo.
Izzo.
Her dog,
Yes,
yes.
that's
The
right.
service dog, Golden,
Yes.
that's just, it's a
Yes.
great dog. So anyway, dogs sell.
Dogs
so
sell.
Just for the price of admission, which is free.
Yes.
You can come over.
Come and see Amy's dog.
Yes, tomorrow. So we're here at 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific. Join us for the podcast. We do that every Wednesday, except when we're not here.
Right.
But, now this is the first one for a few weeks, so it's good to
Yes.
kind of get back in.
Back in the
Go
swing.
month. We're all
organized.
excited
We're
about
ready.
getting organized.
Yep.
So come back tomorrow and catch the release of the podcast. If you can't be here at 2 p.m. Central, of course, then you can find it on smead.com. You can find it on iTunes, YouTube,
Facebook replays.
myOrganized
Yeah.
Life. So it's everywhere. But you get it first here on Facebook, 2 p.m. Central. All right, that's it. We'll see you
right.
tomorrow right here on myOrganized.life live. Get organized now at myOrganized.life. Need to turn those piles into files? We've got you covered. Hundreds of organizing products in a dazzling array of colors and sizes. There's an organizing solution for you. Shop online and they're delivered right to your office. Get organized now. Go to myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. Get organized now at myOrganized.life.